This very small device is actually a strobe light that you can attach to your drone or any items if you need to be seen. And so to operate it, there's a button built in here, and you've got the USB-C port right here to charge it. And it's designed so well to take up as little space as possible. It's a very impressive item. So to turn it on, you just hold the power button for 2 seconds. That lights it up, and then you just press the button to cycle through the different flashing modes. So we have multiple colors, as you can see. Usually on a drone, you'd have the green lights on the front 2 limbs and red lights on the back 2 limbs, so you can tell which way it's orientated. So you can use this for that. Also, just white flashes if you need to make sure you can see your drone when it's quite far away, or if you're a cyclist that's concerned with being seen, you can just have one of these attached. Lots of different modes there. So when you've done cycling through all the different modes, you can just hold the button in for 2 seconds, and then when it turns off, it flashes blue. Now, if it's flashing really, really fast blue, it means that the battery's quite low, you need to charge it. If it's very slow pulsing blue, then you've got medium power, medium charge left. And if it's just a constant blue, it means you've got full power. So this is able to communicate with you how much power it has, but also maintain a really small form factor. This is something that no one would have a problem with just sliding it anywhere, because it's no extra weight. It weighs virtually nothing. It does come with a few Velcro attachments. So they come in the Velcro pairs, so you just snip one section off, and then you can peel back the plastic from both sides, and then you can stick one to the underside of the strobe light, and then the other side you can stick to your drone or whatever, and that way you can have a load of sections already set up on your drone or whatever item you're sticking them to, and then just move it around to the different placements depending on your needs at the time. So really excellent full unit. And of course, it comes with the USB-C cable, so you're able to charge it up with all your devices. And it's presented in this lovely little case. Fantastic.